I'm Matthew Berg, and I'm the director of the Aerospace and Advanced Manufacturing Center here at Lenoir Community College. I'm also the program chair for the Mechanical Engineering program located at the AAMC. As part of this program, students learn a lot of hands-on activities as well as theory and computer-based applications. One of the main things that we try to incorporate in our students is CAD software, which is computer-aided drafting. Students come in and they begin in two-dimensional CAD, doing things such as basic mechanical drawings, and through the program they advance into three-dimensional models and other designs. As part of our robotics and our mechatronics lab out of the AAMC, we incorporate state-of-the-art robotics as well as our Festo MPS system. This allows students to work on some of the latest and greatest technology and obtain hands-on experience while in a controlled environment to prepare them for today's job market. We also have a state-of-the-art 3D printing advanced manufacturing lab. Part of this lab incorporates three different types of 3D printers. We have two FDM, which are our string-based, more hobby-type printers. We also have a SLA resin printer, but our crown jewel is our HP Multijet Fusion 580 printer. This printer allows us to print state-of-the-art precision parts for manufacturing industries. Some students choose to work in the CAD field. Some students choose to work in the robotics and the mechatronics and electronics industry, while some choose to move directly into manufacturing, eventually receiving jobs in supervision and leadership and management. This degree can be completed online, so students often will obtain a job and then complete their bachelor's degree while they're working at the same time.